Welcome to the beach. Turnkey condo with beach and bay views. Open floor plan with vaulted ceiling from living room to dining room and opens to kitchen. 2 first-floor bedrooms with generous closet space and sliders to walk-out balcony. First floor full bath. Second floor open loft host master bedroom suite with 2 closets, sitting area and a walk-in storage closet/attic. Private full master bath. Slider leads to top balcony with views to the beach, bay and protected dunes of Island Beach State Park. 2-car coved garage and additional storage room for beach chairs/bikes with stall shower.Enjoy walk-to area restaurants and shops. Beach access with bathroom and showers. Enjoy 9 miles into the state park by bike. Walk to the bay location for amazing sunset views. Tie up your boat or jet ski in the open designated area along the bay beach of 23rd Street. Opportunity to purchase furnished and enjoy all 4 seasons at the shore.